Hey, Sparkle. Good morning. And today is Friday? Today is Friday. The 18th? I think the 18th. What is this gonna look like? I guess it'll look just like that. Anyway, you finished drinking? Oh, pretty good. Good morning. It's the David and Sparkle show. Where David shakes a lot and the camera goes where you don't know. We gotta get her in the bath tonight. We're gonna get some hot towels and soak them up a little bit. And shampoo her hair with them. And rinse her off with some clean ones. And that'll be it. Maybe do it twice. I can't do it twice. I don't have the energy. I wish I could. I could barely keep up with her with one good leg. I was like, I gotta sit on the chair and like slide around trying to chase her. My wheelchair is a regular chair without wheels. That's not really a wheelchair. It's a slide chair. Maybe I invented something there. Look, you're pretty white. There's some pretty pictures here. You're a little dingy yellow there. You're a white cat with gray markings. Today you're kind of like a white and off-white. Beige. Beiges. Where does beiges come from? Beige. They're like looking at colors in the beige. Let's call that beige. Yeah, well, there's this family called the Beige, and I don't like them, so we're gonna name the color of shit after their family. Beige, or is that more like piss? Oh, can you say that on YouTube? It's not like I said fuck or anything. Alright, we done with this one then?